Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a LinkedIn profile with LinkedIn, complete guide step by step clearly. To create a LinkedIn profile, start by visiting the LinkedIn website. Click on the Join Now button to begin the sign up process. Enter your email address and create a password that meets their security requirements. Once you've filled in your details, click Agree and Join. Follow the prompts to input your first and last name. Next, provide your country and postal code. Fill in your most recent job title and company name, or select I am a student if applicable. Click Next to move on to the next step. You will be asked to add a profile photo. Uploading a professional headshot increases your chances of attracting connections. Once you've added your photo, you'll be prompted to provide your location and industry. Choose an industry that aligns with your career or interests. After this, you will be guided through adding your work experience. Start with your most recent job and include your title, employer's name, and dates of employment. Describe your role and achievements in a few concise bullet points. Include any relevant internships or volunteer work in the experience section. Now, move on to the education section. Enter the name of the institutions you attended, along with your field of study and graduation dates. Make sure to add any certifications or courses that enhance your qualifications. Next, you can customize your LinkedIn URL for easier sharing. Click on Edit Public Profile and URL on the right side of the page. Modify your URL to include your name or a professional moniker. Now, focus on crafting your summary. Write a brief overview of your professional background, skills, and what you aim to achieve. Use a clear and engaging tone to make your profile stand out. Add skills that are relevant to your career goals and areas of expertise. Encourage colleagues or connections to endorse those skills for added credibility. To grow your network, start connecting with people you know. Send personalized connection requests to make a positive impression. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.